during battle. Clearwater is named after the spring-fed creek that flows through our property. It is part of the headwater of the Sauk River, which eventually feeds into Stockton Lake. The creek is an important resource for our farm, serving as a water source for our cattle. I am the 7th generation of my family to work on Clearwater Farm. In its early years, our farm produced wheat and we raised cattle and Berkshire hogs. My great-grandfather, Jace Pipkin, used to drive the hogs to meet the train in Elwood. He would travel to livestock shows in Chicago, Kansas City, and Denver to show them. In 1933, my great-great-grandfather, W.H. Pipkin, and my great-grandfather, Morris, traveled to Kansas and purchased 4 registered Angus bred heifers from Johnson Workman. These would be the beginning of our Angus legacy. At the time, we were among the first Angus breeders in the state of Missouri. Today, we have operated an Angus, a registered Angus seed stock operation continuously for 85 years. Through the years, my family has taken great pride in not only producing quality Angus seed stock for commercial and registered cattlemen, but also exhibiting our cattle at local, state, and national livestock shows. During the 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s, my grandfather W.D. and my dad Jim showed our cattle at fairs all across the U.S. It was a great honor for me this past January to show a heifer at the National Western in Denver, Colorado, something my sister, dad, granddad, and great-granddad had also done. I have already started building my own herd of Angus cattle. The past 2 years, I have had the champion and high-selling bull at the Missouri Angus Fraternity. I love showing my cattle, but I love even more being able to work along with my family every single day. Some of my favorite things to do are tagging newborn calves, sorting cows, weaning calves, and I also love to bale hay. I am proud to be the 7th generation of our family farm legacy. One day I hope to continue Clearwater Farm, raising Angus cattle just like the generations before me.